to show you just how easy it is to make a stock tank into a backyard pool all by yourself. I used the help of one guy one time because I needed a truck to haul the tank to my house. So thanks to this guy for being awesome. You're the man, Travis. So if you're wanting to add a filter and a pump to your tank, there's lots of YouTube videos out there that can show you what to do. But this video is to show you how to install your tank without using a filter and a pump. I don't have electricity out here in my backyard, so I had to go a different route. But frankly, I think it's a lot more simple and very easy to keep clean. More work went into the landscaping than the actual pool itself. Making the pool look like something more than a water trough in your backyard is very important. I went the cheesy California 1950s look, pink flamingos and all. So if you like what you see, I've got a list of basic supplies at the end of my video. Keep watching, here we go. So before I fill my pool up with water, I'm going to remove the stopper and replace it with a water spigot. I'll do this for two reasons. Number one, when I drain my pool for cleaning, I run the risk of losing my landscaping with the pressure without being in control of the water flow. Another reason is I can attach a water hose to this with a sprinkler system, and instead of wasting the water, I can recycle it by watering my yard. Okay guys, we're gonna get our pool cleaned up so that we can start landscaping it as it's filling up with water, so let's go.